Boda St Andrews, welcome back to another singing assembly. Now we are going to get started straight away today because we need to learn our last song for Eisteddfod. Now we are going to start by singing a song that we learned a couple of weeks ago, I think. And it's the one to He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. So I know you will really like this one, and it is a good one to sing along to. So this is the one that starts with Mae Ganddo Blant St Andrews yn Ai Law. Then it goes to Mae Ganddo Blant Casnawedd yn Ai Law, and then Mae Ganddo Blant Cymru yn Ai Law. And that last verse is then when we add the little clap, which makes it a bit more fun. So here we go. Let's give it a go, sitting up nice and straight. And let's see how much we remember. Here we go. Ready? Mae Ganddo Blant St Andrews yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant St Andrews yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant St Andrews yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Byd Law yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant Casnawedd yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant Casnawedd yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant Casnawedd yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Byd Law yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant Cymru yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant Cymru yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Blant Cymru yn Ai Law, Mae Ganddo Byd Law yn Ai Law. Well done. Very well remembered if you managed to get through all of that. It's not easy to try and remember these Welsh lyrics, so I'm super, super proud of you. Now, like I said, we are going to move on and learn our last song for the Eisteddfod this year, which is super exciting that we've managed to get through all of these, which is just amazing. Now, what we're going to do is I'm just going to get the lyrics up for our new song. So here we go, sorry about that. So this is our new song called Myfanwy, okay? Now it is a slightly more difficult one than Mae Ganddo Blant, but we've smashed it before, we can do it again. So what we're going to do is we're going to do my turn, your turn, just saying the words first, and then we will go on to the singing. So my turn, your turn. Paham mai dicte o Myfanwy yn llenwyth lygau dion di. A ffrwyddiau tirion o Myfanwy, hybrido oedd fy'n gweled di. Pa le mai wyn oedd a diwefus, fi'n cyniau'n harid ffyddlon ffwl. Pa le mai sain dy eiriau melys, fi'n dening halon a dy ol. Good. Now, like I said, it is a bit more tricky, but I know we will be able to smash this. Now, before we go on to start singing it, I want you to hear what it should hopefully look like. Sound like. Know it, you can sing along, but just listen. So that is what hopefully we will all sound like by the end of this singing assembly. Now, like it says at the bottom, we do repeat it. So we will be singing it twice through, but it's exactly the same the second time round, which makes our lives a lot easier, which is nice. So we'll do my turn, your turn, one line at a time. Pa my dicta my vanoi. And lem with lygai dion di. Arthwyddiau tirion my vanoi. Hybrido wrth fy gweledi. Pa le mae wynoedd a dywefus. Fi'n cyniau'n hewyd ffadron ffw. Pa le mae sain dy airiau melys. Fi'n dening halon a dio. Good, well done. I'm really proud of you for joining in with that, so keep it up. Now, this time we're going to sing 2 lines at a time. So it'll be my turn, your turn, and we'll do 2 lines at a time, and then we can add in the music. So here we go. Pa my dicta my vanoi, and lem with lygai dion di. Your turn. Pa my dicta my vanoi, and lem with lygai dion di. My turn. Arthwyddiau tirion my vanoi, hybrido wrth fy gweledi. Your turn on your own. Good. My turn. Pa le mae wynoedd a dywefus. Fi'n cyniau'n hewyd ffadron ffw. Your turn. Pa le mae wynoedd a dywefus. Fi'n cyniau'n hewyd ffadron ffw. Good. Last 2 lines. My turn. Pa le mae sain dy airiau melys. Fi'n dening halon a dio. Your turn. Pa le mae sain dy airiau melys. Fi'n dening halon a dio. Very well done. Now, what we're going to do, without the music for now, we're going to sing it all the way through. No music, but just listening to what I'm singing, and you're joining in as well right from the beginning. So here we go. Sitting up nice and straight. Remember to relax those shoulders. Here we go. I'll sing it with you. And pa my dicta my vanoi, and lem with lygai dion di. Arthwyddiau tirion my vanoi, hybrido wrth fy gweledi. Pa le mae wynoedd a dywefus. Fi'n cyniau'n hewyd ffadron ffw. Pa le mae sain dy airiau melys. Fi'n dening halon a dio. Very well done. Now is the challenge to sing it with the music. Remember, we're going to do it twice. Here we go. Sitting up. Ready? very well done. You have absolutely smashed it today. Now, we are going to do it one more time. And this time, we're going to make it a bit louder at times and a bit quieter at other times. Now, on the first few lines, you're going to sing it very softly. Remember our angel voices. We don't want to be shouting it. So it's very much, pa, my dicta, oma vanoi. Very, very soft, okay? And then when we get to the line where it says ffyddlon ffwl, we're going to get louder and louder and louder on that sentence, okay? So it's fi'n cyniau'n hawyd ffyddlon ffwl, and it gets louder and louder and louder, okay? Then you're going to stay loud, and then it's quiet on the last line, okay? So the two lines, the fi'n cyniau'n hawyd ffyddlon ffwl, Parle my sign de ariau melys, they're nice and loud, those two. And then the last one, fi'n dening halon ar dy ol, very quiet again, okay? So first line, quiet, then quiet, 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 get louder, loud, and then quiet, okay? Let's try it from the beginning. Wow, I am super proud of you. It's not an easy song to sing, so very, very, very well done. Now, I'm going to leave it with you today. I'll be back next week with all the Welsh songs that we have learnt this half term and last half term. So I hope you can remember them all. They're all on YouTube if you want to go back and listen to them. And we'll be going through all of the songs next week. Have an amazing week. Keep doing all your Teachers Proud Foundation phase. Have an amazing time back in school. Key Stage 2, keep doing us all proud with your home learning. And I hope to see you all very, very soon. Ta Boki!